Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's AC Legend and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be talking about what is a hard money loan. What is a hard money lender? Now, I know people who are getting into real estate have already heard about hard money lending and what it is because it's such a buzzword in the community. In this space, people leverage hard money lenders to be able to get fix and flips without leveraging the banks or their own money to be able to do so. Now, a hard money lender is a business that gives you a temporary loan. On a hard money loan, you're typically going to use for 6 months to 2 years. Now, with this loan, they're going to pay for 100% of the construction costs, and they're going to give you 85% of the actual purchase price. So then you'll be responsible for your closing costs as well as the down payment, that 15% of the purchase price. Now you say, well, what's the benefit? Well, why not just go get a regular mortgage? Well, a regular mortgage company may not approve a home for you because of the condition of the home. If it still needs rehab done to it, there's no kitchen in there, the walls need demoed, pretty much no typical lender is gonna give you a loan on a home that's not livable because they don't want to be upside down in their loan. So we leverage hard money lenders for times like this when you see a fix and flip and you need it, you don't have all the cash to be able to buy it and rehab it. You go ahead and you find you a hard money lender. Like I said, they're gonna give you 100% of the construction rehab costs, and they're gonna give you 85% of the actual purchase price. And that's gonna leave you to pay closing costs and the 15% of your purchase price. Now, obviously you're saying, okay, well, what does it take to get a hard money lender, to get a hard money loan? It doesn't take much. There is some underwriting. They are gonna check your credit, but your credit does not have to be perfect by no means. Typically, if you got a 600 credit score, you can get a hard money loan. The next thing they're gonna wanna ask and they're gonna want is your experience. They're gonna ask you as an investor, how much experience do you have doing fix and flips? Do you have none? Some hard money lenders won't be able to work with you. But if you're a brand new investor, there's companies who will lend to you right now on your very first deal, no questions asked. Another tip is if you have no experience, some hard money lenders will actually allow you to leverage your contractor's experience. So if you say, hey, I got a contractor been in the game for 10 years, 5 years, 7 years, 3 years even. Sometimes their underwriting will allow that for you, and you can still get the hard money loan with you having no experience, but your contractor team does. Another trick is you can partner up with someone who has experience. Whether you have to pay them a percentage, you pay them a flat fee, or you bring them into the deal. Hey, I don't have any experience. I would love for you as an experienced investor to come in on this deal. We may split it 50-50, already have it, the numbers look good. Would you be interested in doing so? Now, not everyone's gonna say yes, but a lot of the times, if you have a really good deal, someone's gonna wanna make money with you. Next thing, where do you find these hard money lenders? They're everywhere. A hard money lender is easy to find. Now, what you want to do is be able to vet them as far as their draw period. So how long it's going to take them to get your money? How long does it take them to get you closed? And obviously, how long is it going to take them to get their underwriting done? And what do they all need from you to make sure that you qualify for the loan? A hard money loan is super simple, guys. It's super easy. You've probably already heard about it, but you're probably just contemplating on going out and just applying for a simple loan. They're gonna need basic information. Get your business, put it in your business name, have them run your credit. Now you will need to show some funds. You're not gonna be able to get this loan if you can't show that you can at least have the down payment ready. And I would say 3 months of reserves of your mortgage for the loan that you're gonna get. A hard money loan is gonna come with a monthly mortgage. The payments are always interest only, meaning those monthly mortgage payments will not go towards your principal balance. Therefore, the best thing that you can do is get the house rehabbed and on the market as quickly as possible. Because every single month that you have the home, you're losing money on interest on it. So with hard money, it's only a temporary loan. Once you get done with the property, you list it, or you can refinance it, keep it as a rental, or buy and hold. And that we'll talk about in another video. Yo, I'm AC. I'm glad to be back here on YouTube. It's been a while. If you haven't already, like, subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys found value, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. As always, you can DM me, you can leave comments, message me, hit me up on Instagram, on TikTok, I'm everywhere. Yo, and I appreciate you guys. Peace.